10% of 20% of 5,000 is alternative A, 50, B, 500, C, 100, or D, 25. What will your answer be? I want us to go make the video now. Try it and write your answer in the comments so I can see if you got it right or not. How many people will get it right? Because there are a lot of people who don't know how to do these types of exercises. A lot of people get confused, but I'm going to tell you something. It's very easy. Let's see. The secret here is to convert all of this to fractions. Look, I'm going to write 10% here. It says 10%. 10 divided by 100 is 10% of, when I see, of its multiplication. 10% of 20%. Like 20%, like that, look. So to recap, here it says 10% of 20% of multiplication, 5,000. 5,000 divided by 1. Okay, so look, the important thing is that we've transformed this expression here into this multiplication of fractions. 10% of 20% of 5,000 is equal to how much? Okay, and now I'm going to proceed to eliminate the zeros. I say this 0 is eliminated with this 1 here. This 0 is eliminated with this 1 here. Here I have 2 zeros below that are eliminated with 2 zeros above. What I'm left with in the numerator is 2 times 50. And in the denominator, I'm left with 1. We solve 2 times 50 is 100. 100 divided by 1 is 100, which is exactly the answer we were looking for, letter C. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now. Be very careful with this exercise. Look, 6 divided 6, multiply by 6, plus 6, minus 6. And the alternatives are, alternative A, factorial of 1. Be careful, because it's not 1. The answer here says factorial of 1. Alternative B, factorial of 2, C, factorial of 3, or letter D, factorial of 4. Pause the video and try to do it and write your answer in comments, because after the video, I'm going to see how many people got it right or wrong. Well, the first thing we have to remember here is the concept of factorial. Factorial of a number is the product of that number by its predecessors. For example, we start here. Look, factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is 2 multiplied by 1, the number multiplied by its predecessor. The number 3 factorial of 3 is 3 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1, and factorial of 4 will be 4 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1. So alternative A will be 1, alternative B will be 2, alternative C will be 6, and alternative D will be 24. Okay, now that we have a clearer view of the alternatives, let's solve this. What does the rule say? That I have to do multiplication and division first. I have multiplication, I have division, I have addition, and I have subtraction. So we start with multiplications and divisions. Let's go from left to right. I'm going to rewrite first the expression 6 divided 6 multiplied by 6 plus 6 minus 6. Perfect. I say 6 divided 6 is 1. It would be 1 multiplied by 6 plus 6 minus 6. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. It would be 6 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. This gives 6. The answer is 6. So the correct alternative would be alternative C, which will be the factorial of 3, which is 6. Answer letter C. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Half of 8 to the power 100 is 4 to the power 50, 8 to the power 49, 2 to the power 300, or 2 to the power 299. Welcome to your Smart Brain channel. What is the answer? A, B, C, or D? Pause the video, try the exercise, and write your answer in the comments. After the video, I'm going to look at each of the answers to see who got it right and who got it wrong. Okay, half of 8 to the power 100. Let's understand the following. What the exercise is asking me to do is this. Look, 8 to the power 100 divided by 2. Half of 8 to the power 100. Perfect. But I noticed that I could transform this with an equal base. What does it mean to transform this to an equal base? This number 8, I can express it as a power of 2. For example, 2 cubed, 2 cubed. You know that's 8. So I would have 2 cubed, 100 divided by 2. And there I would have equal bases. Let's take it easy, look. Instead of writing 8, I'm going to write 2 cubed, and all of this raised to the power 100 divided by 2. I think up to this point there's no difficulty. Up to this point we have no problem. 2 cubed raised to the power of 100. Okay, when I have a power, these exponents are multiplied. That's what the theory says. So, when I rewrite this, I'm going to write 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 100, which would be 300 divided by 2, 2 raised to the power of 1. It's understood. What do I have now? I have the division where the bases are the same and the exponents are different. When I have division of the same bases, I repeat the base and subtract the exponents. Then this will be equal to 2, which will be the same base raised to the difference, 300 to 1. And this will be equal to 2 raised to 300 to 1. This gives 299. Answer, letter D. What did you find easy or not? Thank you very much for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with others.